A very important component of our game rental application is for the user to be able to select a game. So we're going to add a please select a game label, and then we need a list box to include our list of games that we have available. So we will select the list box component from our toolbox. So this is our list box control. We'll drag and drop it into our form. We will change the name of our list box to be called Games List Box. Let's use lowercase g. And there are several ways to include text in our list box. Let's go over the different ways we can populate a list box in C#. The first way and the easiest way is to select the add items or edit items within the form. So within the designer, you select the edit items and you start including names of games. You need one per line, and we'll just include a few games here. Okay, let's save. Let's see how this looks like. So here there's a list of items, and the user can select either one of these. Okay, then we can check out and we're done. Now another way to populate this list box is inside the code. Actually, the best place to put that in is inside the form load. So this is what happens when the form first loads. This is the first set of statements that are executed. And we want to populate this list box in here. So we can add in a few items. We refer to the games list box. Then we go to items because we're trying to add an item to the list box. So we go to the items property and then we use the add method. Within the add method, we need to give it a string, and that would include the string to be added to our list box. And note here that we need to add in items one at a time. So we can copy and paste this same statement here. Let's do that again several times to include several games. Let's see how that's going to work. Save and execute. So as the form loads, we're going to see the items popping up in our list box. See here we have all of our games listed in our list box, and the user gets to select the one they want. Okay? Now, you can see that this process can be very tedious. So if you have a very long list of items to be included in your list box, it's going to take you a while and it's going to take some effort to type in all of those names in your list box. And it's going to be even worse if you're trying to populate the list box here within the code. So another efficient and a lot easier way to include items within a list box is by using a file.